Mami ma wakwaba emfa umbra Ghana nsem TVGH so wofre me adwoa searching.
Ya maame no mo abatan. Na yesi ye de mo ma akoto today. Na mo mpe. Na mo pesa mo do mo koboda. Yesi bi tua 5,000, 10,000, 15,000. Aban papa aba, suku papa aba. Ade na musu. Mu wura fi Christiana Awuni. Mo nkwaji sika won hoy. Ya wo kire mo baabi a mo ntoma banko no. Christiana Awuni, mo nkwaji sika won ho. Ai. Minim sasabi enipa sa nipa wanko suku enipa wono wanko suku atwere nwoma ma obi koto nipa asabi wantena classroom da no se watwere nwoma na nipa di akire kopa nwoma nato Christiana Awuni no wansi classroom da ka kire mo se free secondary school a eba ma asabi enwisia ni nyanka no mu bia na wo ma wofu ni sika na wo mo daache esei no aban dumfo bi ba ye nhyehyɛ ya ma san kora ne daache ba mu no enye no sa nipa wei etimi ka kire mo baabi a mo ntoma ba enko enne yesi mu tua 5,000 10,000 monko na Christiana Awuni ma musika why Ghana movie actor monko no ma musika ai Kumawood actor monko jisika why na mo mfa nkotua ya titi mo ono ya titi we samtwira ni we sabi me maame kro no kwotena dwuma ton momone na appearance ne na ho fasuo kura ehye nkuna chen we saa oba we ti TV su no oye dede kire mo modi ya kire Captain Smart no mu ye dede kire mo twini Jonas no ohene babo ama Kevin Taylor no eye dede amutie mo ho awieye awurade efi na ekro mehwe me nyame sum ye saa nipa bia wode ne ho tu nyame su bia nyankopon nye hwamodie nyankopon akufu ado nyankopon wote ase wonai nyame ne bawo miya nyankopon mese mo nai mu ye nyame a mo ni kurotwa wisia egusu 24/7 ehwe nipa mo wiye ye na aba no aban papa ebeba ama suku papa aba ene mo hu ne yandisi fo de ayemo mo hu no kwan o mo de mo na mu yes mohunu kwan wenum nti ena na proprietors ni school headmistress ni headmaster fo esu wei saa kro no wei anu omo pa ba time fo abo omo nti we mu nti eno ma sei ena omo de akufo ado to tankruwem ene omo da yeso abem omo da yeso abem ene na yemfa nimo ye maamenom yemfa nimo kwan ne ka kire mu se John Mahama enim kwan a ye fa so buman hwan ene ka kire mu se John Mahama enim kwan a ye fa so buman education hia John Mahama se wo bi bekọ school be ba be ye krachi ni awuraba ehia John Mahama eye ne dadwene hwan ene ka kire mu 2012 besi 2016 na muni krom ha o mo manu mu ana awie ko teacher training nursing training awie school tifia ne yemfa o madwuma no o madane ade so amosan ato aduane mu omudie no na muni krom ha o ka se numpo de ne bekọ na ban bekọ opposition emfa no nko na muni ha se sansem twrofo hye nsem twrofo abo ka kire wo mo kokuam hye wo mo bo sha akese ene o mu tumfu turogumani aban ono ba ye behwe mo ma ahokire biremu mode ne to tankruwam ene ma wiye ye nie abatan Ghana abatan ma wiye ye nie ni Ghana adisuafo asabi anesefo ne teacherfo amokotena classroom sua ade sabi mo ankoton momone tena hoti atrosem ne na adasem ene wo hu musuma wiye ye nyame uye nyansafo Yankopon uye nyansafo na uye nimdifo so wangu nana adodanko akufo ado ene Dr. Alhaji Mahmoud Bomia wangu omani mu ase dabi wama nipa de na ni ehunu ne mfonso ne ni mistake ya waye uye nyansafo Yankopon ko Christiana Awuni ho ono na nase akufo ado free secondary school eye tantan proye Munkoji sikankan kire ne say John Mahama de papa aba na ne mutua 5,000 6,000 7,000 ne 10,000 oma musika metua oma musika onko ontu kwan kuro imu monko Kumawood actor monkoji sika ono Christiana Awuni nyame na atua ye nyina yeka Nyankopon na atua ye ne ye maamenom ne ye nananom ne ye mma ye soka ye tikuro imu nyame na atua yeka aban papa aba enemusu oba wa Ashanti region yɛde na akɔto sirim o Cape Coast yɛde na ba Ashanti region o kode musu mane mmra nkɔ da bia mwai mane mmra nkɔ enne headmaster fo ne mistress fo koko aso ma me no monte na mo betia because MPP mam ye mo meye sa adwuma ne biem aha adwuma asabi adwuma sine ne yakatua ye ma MPP aban emeye biem da bi timukoko no de munguso nte munguso ente munyi binu mu 30,000 ai ni ne ba ye de na kotu sirem a opet border amano munyi ni sika echina wokoto aba obadwene hu mienu na wasua abatoɔ sɛne yɛsitie
mo be di atem keka akɔno no ma be dɔso ho ye nkrɔfo wɔ wo di post to ho NDC fo asɛm a wo post to yepo ɔmo ntia ase o but on be di atem wo ase saa be di atem unya MPP fo be 5 fo mu gina wo mu defend da so pa konna koja comment ba ko NDC ni bi page ase wo be hu de wo mu ni na be tu agu ho and on social media no it is your likes, your share, your comments, or like ya wunya, or comment ya wunya, how many people are sharing it. That is what built a page. And ya wonko wujina so a wuche ne kode nowadays that is not it. You are not building the page. Election beba. Yeah, but now I kokwasa sana NDC for at the 1957. Now when and a sabi besa GH or ban and say ya building on. Besa GH ban and say ya building on. The when people bloggers be brave or pepe now just a tire about because I then I would complaining. Why shouldn't I complain when you are not doing the right thing? Your communication apparatus is already broken. I told you guys that thing is done. They say obi our communication no bia no we say be atopre e no dey obi because unim before the elections nankasa that thing was broken and the MPP me catch and I don't care o me dey bia na me catch them me say I don't care and the MPP gina mutumi etumi nyai e social media for nobody listens to you guys on the traditional media mo kokra ye ma mo chance pe wa mo nkasa. We MPP Nina Uko radio station. Kai say MPP versus 4 NDC people because they are otikonsol neti kura OBAB you know or no so NDC ning or kasa dema NDC. Entima sam kura mo kanen kodum. And MPP communication department, what is keeping you people afloat after 2024 election? It is this social media boys and girls. It is us. Yenya mumwe no yenya. What's now na party na musu womu nim digitization. Party na musu yeso omu yen krasefo. Party na musu yeso omu enim ye no. Womu etumi use social media. Etuyeska they are building so many channels. They are amembu anenses womu wini. Womu aji they free munsem. You people are still complacent and then confident in what you are doing. You can't do the same thing over and over and expect a different result. It doesn't work. This is your channel you have. These are the people you can use. MPP for the platforms are there. These are boys you can use. These are girls, women you can use. Kwako tres kame TV trainer so kwa accept beyond predia say yamawan say ankasa. Now the end is for beken in our media for any of my journey and you expect your communication to move. It will not. And the earlier the communication part of MP before we decided the social media is what is holding you people now. Ye to abewe ye missing your social media and can forget. Muni mabemu anebu. So for the first time we'll be on your campaign. One for any serious policy be not the be winning election. After all the policies we brought. After all the social interventions I had Ghana for, they decided not to. Listen, not because the propaganda and the lies was too much. And NDC paid fortunes for that. Therefore, we need not to pay Rosso, near man $5,000 a month, Kevin Taylor, me say. Yeah, no be we are not asking you for money. Me buy me maybe so be miska more MPP and penny for no. Me imagine be a Diana so miska. The most I always ask from you people is information. Information, keke. Sometimes I even have the information already. All I'm trying to get is a confirmation. Say information we na menya. Yedokra na yedokra ye miao. Ye miao. Oko kana ena Felix die me de oye too harsh you. Ena me de sa boy ne de. Sa boy no so no betumi aye adwuma no. Ebi a wo mpetumi. E de na Dennis Miracle enka ye. Evidence being that Dennis Miracle abuaje on fan chere. Why is it pushing away? Why is it not sinking through the people? Because we have a communication department which doesn't work. It only works after 3 months. Last minute, I challenge you people here, say, more communication department of MPP. Since I Richard Ahiagba, more can't how many times I hear even grano press conference cry be. NDC forward opposition. Sabi on prebiasa. Saba umia eko bubu or no ebo rekra. Sami jensi beba be yehu press conference. And no politics abano. And your optics. What are you doing? What are you mobilizing? Uko kano omejao. Well, maybe they be amube jamming because I would always give you the truth. Where I need to defend my party, I would defend my party to the last breath of me. Crypto, he's the only guy we have. Dennis is the only guy we have right now. Say a man and Dennis Nkwan Yehuno or Nkwan. And also starting and in communication, you know, say when one face is being seen consistently, it doesn't work. Now say a small boy, a friend is saying, in no you see, somebody will go and listen to that youth. Mr. Ramo, sometimes say, Mama, my young feeling say, Juma, no, Sebi, Nkwasiasem, Juma, Mama, my young, yes, Juma, Nkwasiasem, Juma, whether MPP, executives are more, whether you like it or you don't like it, your stronghold right now in terms of communication are these social media people. It is the social media people. Because akosa man na say enye Dennis Miracle just say or no kura na okuta fact you Dennis no kura fact kura de kire Ghana for say ente onu nko ba ko fon sentimi nkata nyame ani. He is one. Masremo why mama yensesa niamem ami kakra why that more life, mami we why? Patro more life. More mate. It's the mesre learn to build your own. MP before learn to build your own. The ayami yasne the social media will buy and use ka. O share and use ka. Uja comment ya and use ka. And so still obeba betna not the holding cause ubuno. Anyways, yan fa no sin chain. And a Freestyle Friday. Said the TNO, yes, that balit kakra said the bear, you been a chance, there are more calls. And the first issue, I'm a person, me doing come up again, is in my house. I am MPP. Men kind of quick a crying free up. And me be a program be waha. Now, the program I'm here, and me to Nidin said, Ken supporters are no longer MPP. Now, for some funny reason, the people now over online internal politics into umbechetri no, and now they are trying to tell us omuchi say we be hate at their candidate. Now, BB very funny to me. Me pacho candidate for echo stand for MPP ni nara. Ye candia waka asemwa ya. Dia wagu party no hufi. Dia wasai party na kikansem fon dia fa party no ho. Empo editing crophobia tem personally. There is nobody but Canada Japan. Nenso twade. Wo pa ye mistake said this week. Obekwa akoka bibi edia Kennedy. No many na abu afu. Ono bebe begyina so ba omiemu. Obeso MPP party na nkesemu party no so opeso no di animu no. Womo beso camera e di party na tem. Aka kire party ni se party ni efon No mo de nkroma ideology na eba. Na say nipa no so koka kire ne say the candidate ye fon pe Dabi e na mo join na mo didi atem e na mo de mo didi atem na mo de mo didi atem e den Nkwasiasem no Dabi o lady D me sa de no mentiasi o ye nyina ye program who di matem say me ye Nkwasiasem no problem na me koka say we ye Nkwasiasem say adentina na me ye Nkwasiasem say ye pe obi a wodi atem didie e na share the campaign ase a e ye Kennedy Japan ene na sefo na senye beye ene hye binim ani ase a mesi me pese me bedi party anim. However, party na me pese me bedi anim na kosia me ni bibia positive kafa ho ye mankola 5.7 million eno nya achievement school ye che laptop eno nya achievement dialysis machines at Kolebu eno nya sebe achievement other monumental projects ya eno nya achievement. However, obi a ono na de ba ko ka kire onu se onu abi adwuma enu tu sebe o ma ne be president obetumi abi adwuma enu ne superior over obi a wono ama different they say chale MPP na me I don't know how they got this group of people, to be honest with you, because me the MPP and me nim ne MPP and am enye eni o enye MPP e be ka kire se me enya de ense yi o there be Hakman no so agema no na enya sa na omde tete party no. Utie. Nanado no time no enya sa. Everybody knew Nanado was ready for power, but yes there be papa. Woni amaniama bi ntene. Woni amaniama bi ye de card bi ato no so say Ekufuado ye to transem internet so mama na e calm down wansa. Ye decide we delay Ekufuado. Nanso said ye tie biara. On sabi ojire no honnom dia no wanka se yamfa me amba no mudi obi ba ye ntino party ni megai nanso ye nim nkrofo a wo mkọ primaries keke no wo ma wini kura na wo mutumi jai party no ejai na sabi ejeje mu saa nanso ye tumi ka se nipafo ni mo ema me ye nene me ka asem we wa ha uya Kennedy ni a I want you to go to your boss cause I know the evidence I'm holding here. I want you to go to your boss and ask your boss, say, after 2016, TNE, Sikaben and or spending on the party in terms of elections. Mumbisano. Now, often who receipt in Bremo. And I can tell you, say, from 2021, this man said he didn't get the contract he was expecting to get in addition to what he has. It was supported party in Tiamba or back functions as there. Now it's not first come. It was other people that financed the NPP. He's just living on past glory. Near more in the past. What about the people who are also holding it down today? Almost way. Ne we are saying they be a meka say obi anani brade bi o ebeifo esonagro obi anani brade bia no o ebeifo e na beifo bia so mpa de pa beifo nti na yesi wo mu didi ball aso no wo mu di tese wo mu tese mpete beifo bia mpa de pa enti sa de pa beba na ebe affect ye nyina na obi ebenya bia ne de ene e mese de na magu no message no maguno ankoye mene de ensign entity. Some of us have decided say on this highway we know on this highway no say yes ye be yekom utie na ya hwe say o na ye na because oni bibi onu no onim say on wini entinya de obes I want to come together with you and to there be eto ye 2024 no money ye ko campaign nenso abato ba ye o man koto medi nka aka kire wo ma kire wo ne 31% na onya ye no abura wo me de ball MPP fo na wo anko ankoto aba at all. I don't come here to lie to anybody. I come here to present you with nothing but the truth. Now, I personally, I don't see the reason why may a car owner, let me use this analogy, okay? May a car owner, me po bi at the car ashenensa amanetri. Ye the driver for me no abreme. Driver ba ko ba ya anaka fun be nie car tantan we di anase car we di entumi nkwa hakra o car we di o na car we di ni bibi asai anaka jimi sei ana hwane ton kwasia car we a car we kura de minim de ntia ana we kura de me pa